All aboard, it's time for another magical Choo-Choo adventure. Today's story is Baking Magic, the Unicorn and Dragon Friendsgiving story. Created by Choo-Choo Animation Studio, story and characters by Rosa Rivera, illustrations by Rosa Rivera. Today is Friendsgiving Eve. Unicorn and Dragon are so excited. They can't wait to make their very special dessert, the ultimate donut cake. Yesterday, they shopped for all the ingredients. Today, they are ready to bake. They open the fridge and smile.
Let's get everything we need.
Dragon grabs 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs, and 3 cups of milk. Unicorn giggles.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Unicorn holds the bowl. Dragon stirs fruit, flour puffs everywhere. They laugh and then switch. Teamwork makes baking fun. Next, Unicorn holds the special donut pan. Dragon slowly pours the batter in.
Slow and steady.
Unicorn says.
We're a team.
Into the oven it goes. Beep. The timer is set. Dragon stares at the oven.
This will take forever.
Unicorn smiled.
Waiting is hard, but we can make it fun. I've got an idea. A waiting game. Let's play while our cake cooks. That's how we practice patience.
Let's find things together while we wait. Find it fun. Can you find 4 crayons in a box? I'll give you a minute. Did you find it? Great job. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 crayons. It's a green one, orange one, yellow one, and blue. Now on to the next question. Can you find 3 apples? I'll give you a minute. Did you find it? That's amazing. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3 apples. Great job. Ring. The timer rings. Unicorn opens the oven carefully. Dragon grabs the icing and sprinkles.
Careful! How things can hurt.
Unicorn says.
We need to let it cool first, or the frosting will melt.
They set the cake down to cool off.
Let's play our game while we wait.
Let's find things together while we wait. Find it fun. Can you find 1 turkey? Did you find it? Great job. Here's 1 turkey. Can you find 6 bunny plushies? I'll give you a minute. Did you find it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunny plushies. You are so smart. I am so proud of you, friend. Time to decorate. Unicorn swirls the icing. Dragon sprinkles rainbow magic everywhere. They giggle as sprinkles fly.
This is so much fun.
Ta-da!
A sparkling, yummy donut cake. They high-five.
We did it together.
They hold on to their creation proudly. Unicorn and Dragon smile.
I can't wait to share this tomorrow with all our friends for Friendsgiving.
They cheer. Baking, teamwork, and gratitude make magic. Thanks for joining another magical Choo-Choo adventure. All aboard next time for more sparkle, friendship, and fun. A note to parents and teachers from Choo-Choo Animation Studio. At Choo-Choo Animation Studio, every story is a little spark. A sprinkle of magic, imagination, and learning wrapped in joy. In Baking Magic, Unicorn and Dragon discover that the sweetest moments aren't just in frosting and sprinkles. They're in waiting together, helping each other, and sharing something special with friends. As little readers follow this cozy Friendsgiving baking adventure, they practice patience, teamwork, and gratitude, all sprinkled with a touch of magic. Vocabulary gently introduced. Friendsgiving, a special celebration with friend teamwork, helping each other. Hot, something that can hurt if we touch it. Cool, to let something get less hot before touching or eating. What this story teaches patience, we wait calmly, even when we're excited turn-taking. We give others their turn too. Safety awareness, hot things can hurt, we wait to touch. Emotional regulation, quiet bodies, gentle voices, calm choice teamwork. We help each other and do our best together. Gratitude, we say thank you and celebrate friendship. Because learning grows best when it feels like adventure, play, and magic. More adventures coming soon. Continue the adventure. Scan to watch our stories and songs? Go to choo-chooanimationstudio.com. Thank you for riding the choo-choo. Remember, the only ticket you need is a smile. See you on the next magical adventure.